Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about the quartz countertops. At the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding on the quartz kitchen countertops and will help you in making decisions on what to use for your kitchens, bathrooms, counters. Whether you are remodeling the kitchen or building a new one from scratch, choosing the countertop is one of the most important steps in the process. The basic requirements for a countertops is it should provide durable surface for cooking, eating, and entertaining. Also, the countertops are one of the main attractive component in the kitchen. So, choosing the right material is very important. There are multiple options available in the market, including granite, marble, concrete or wood, or recently it's called quartz. So in this video, we talk about quartz countertop for its advantages and disadvantages, that's pro and con. You will have the details or facts which are necessary to make a decision on whether quartz is the right kitchen countertop material for you. It is pretty important to understand what exactly quartz is and how it is being manufactured. Actually, the quartz is a natural mineral composed of silicon and oxygen. Yeah, it is pure natural. The fact is, quartz material predominantly used for making countertops are natural, however, it is engineered by man. Let me explain in simple terms. Here, the manufacturer grinds the quartz material into dust and then combines it with the synthetic materials such as polymers, resins, and pigments. The binder they bind together and make it very hard and durable substance. So it's 90 percentage of natural and around 10 percentage of artificial chemicals which is added to this. So let's discuss on the pro and or the advantages we get choosing the quartz countertop. We have a lot of advantages like durability, warranties provided on the quartz, multiple choices for the appearances, non-porous properties, stain resistance, very low maintenance, and versatility. Durability is one of the common reasons why people choose quartz. Quartz are ultra durable. If you are looking for a material that won't crack, scratch, or even so for everyday and regular use, the chances are less. But if it is heavily used, it is it's crackable or scratchable. Okay. So most of the manufacturers provide additional warranties as they are very confident on the product. Though misuse of mishandling are covered not covered in these warranties, if not abused, a lifetime guarantee for the countertops. So in appearance is the key for selecting any countertops. It depends on the person. However, quartz provide literally any designs and color you require. It also has a variety of elegant, sleek, and modern designs which will add wonders to your kitchen. It can be customized for any kitchen cabinets, colors, or flooring, or any environment. Solid colors are becoming more extremely popular in this quartz, especially in modern homes. Most of the manufacturers have the design which are matching the natural granite and marble. So hence we will have a multiple choices in selecting the design. It is a fantastic material not only for your kitchen countertops but also for bathrooms, fireplaces, bars, and any other areas of your home. It is extremely versatile material due to its durability and variety of colors and designs. Engineered countertops are not porous in nature. So granite or marble have very micro holes in which this can lead to staining, discoloration, or irreversible damages. Also, The germs and bacteria can make into those pores, making it very difficult to clean and disinfect. With quartz, you need not worry about it. Regular sealing, which is common in granites, is not required for quartz. The non-porous nature of the quartz make a way of stain resistance. Quartz are extremely stain resistant in nature. The white spots which you see in some of the old stone kitchens will not happen here. These materials are more resistant to stains compared to granite in several categories of stains from the kitchen item which we use on a regular basis. This leads to very low maintenance for us. You will never need to worry about sealing or cleaning is very easy. You just need to wipe it down with a soap and water. When we discuss about its advantage, we need to see the disadvantages or downfall of quartz as well. The additional advantages come with the cost. That is one of the things, the price point, which is one of the downside as it is pretty high when compared to the other natural materials. We said appearance as one of the advantages. However, this has the downside too for the person who wants all natural looks or the truly unique looks of the natural stones. Modern techniques has recreated the natural stone look. However, it is impossible to match the smooth waves or veining you get from the natural stones. Quartz is heat resistant. However, the resin and polymer fillers used in it are not. Exposing quartz countertops to the hot cookware could melt the resins, and also this can cause permanent discoloration and damage. We have seen some white spotting and cloudiness that are the signs of the heat damage. So quartz requires skilled professional to measure, level or secure the slabs on the cabinet or island. Hence it looks awkward and we want to avoid that, right? Yeah. So for laying on the surface, quartz appears to be the clear-cut winner for easy maintenance, long-lasting, and more environment-friendly and easy to customize. The other materials are limited by their design and ability to withstand certain elements. Quartz has nearly limitless applications. It can be pricey depending on the options you choose, and the uniqueness of granite remains appealing to many. Consider your budget and the specific needs before making a decision. But you really can't go wrong with either ones. So choose wisely. You would suggest to go through the benefits of your requirements based on the merit. You can select Quartz. Thanks for watching. Hope you got a clear-cut idea about the Quartz. So I'm not suggesting either quartz or granite or marble. Everything is so unique and it is good for. But I have tried to explain the advantages for the quartz in this video. So if you like this video, please comment and share it to your whoever needs this